how to fix Instagram not sending SMS text code. So what you want to do to fix this problem, actually there is two ways to fix it. The first way is you have to open the settings, open the apps on your phone, go to the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds and then scroll. Let's wait, okay, be patient. Click on Instagram, and now right here on this page click on power usage details and click down here on this for stop. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, go back again, click on the force stop right here. That's the first way. The second way is actually you have to uninstall your Instagram and then reinstall it on your phone and restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.